Hello, maayong buntag, Grace Bisaya, Eka. Hello, Chel. Kamusta, kamusta? Thank you guys for being here. Aris. And good morning, yes.
We still have a little sunlight coming through the window here.
You're all squinting.
Yeah, because my eyes are really light colored, they're really sensitive to light.
What happens is that if we shut the blinds, it's gonna be dark. I mean, we could turn on the ring light, but then it would, as much as possible, I don't want to use the ring light.
My eyes look like vampire eyes.
Thank you for tapping the screen, Chel and Grace. Kumusta, kumusta? We're just waiting for Ate and Amor. Diba ang tagal-tagal na? Like when was the last time that you remembered we had a live with them?
I don't know. It's been
a
months.
while. Yeah, it's been a long time. Angelita, thank you for being here. Di ba naunahan kita? Good morning.
Oh?
Yeah. Te, oo nga. Pero it's clear anyway, no need. Oo, Grace, pero maggit-ngit na ni siya karon taod-taod.
Is the sound on your phone?
It should be. I mean, Grace, madungog ko ninyo. Madungog mi ninyo. Can you guys hear us?
Because I have the volume off. Because I don't want there to be like an echo.
Yeah, Rosel said opo.
Okay.
Do you know what opo means?
Yes.
Yes. Dalawang sagot.
Yes, I do. It
dungo.
means yes. I wasn't just saying yes.
Oh, smile. 2029. Hello. Uy, hi, Bachacha. Thank you.
But Oppo is more of a
Frank,
way
hello.
to say it to like a respected way, right? Like a child says it to like a parent. Because I wouldn't say Oppo to you. It would be like a respected way to say it.
I'm actually kind of confused still because I know there's Oppo and Oho. Oho.
Oh, I thought it was oh.
Yeah,
like
there's Oppo, Oho, Oo. So I think Oho is like
I never heard of Oho.
yeah, OHO. Yeah, first time niya. 'Di ba yung Oho is like Oppo would be for responding yes to like an older person. And I think Oho is ka-age.
Like a mutual?
Maybe like same age or like younger. I don't know.
So what is OO? Like below?
Gee. No, like say for example, you would be saying yes to me because I'm younger than you.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Amor, asan ka na? Si ate ready na daw. Pero saan ka? Igalaw mo ang baso, Amor. Hello, Angie. Ang Team Tamaraw andito. Hello. Actually, nakita ko na yung message ni ate. Ready daw siya, pero si Amor, sandali. Nyor, kumusta? Angelita, it means respect to older po at opo. Pero, Angelita, how about yung oho? Di ba meron yung oho? Same ba din yun sa opo? Di ba first time ni Greg narinig yung oho?
Is that a Bisaya thing too? Oo?
No, it's Tagalog. Kasi, yes, see?
Yes po. Okay.
So, like so yung oho, Kevin is here. Kevin. Ay, same lang.
What's up, Kevin?
Thank you for being
Staying
here.
out of trouble,
Kevin.
never.
Yes, opo,
I'm
it's
always in
just
trouble.
more
I'm
fun.
always getting into trouble. Just kidding.
So, Bachacha, yung oho is same level din ng ng respect for
Like same
like
age
an older
or
person.
same status or same height?
Meron bang ganun? Same height. I guess it's the same for opo and oho.
Okay.
Man, Greg, your phone is really clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends on the dialect, I guess. Ang po at opo kasi paggalang sa lahat, bata man o matanda. Hala! The Scorpio, ang akala ko talaga, like when you use opo is for yung mas nakakatanda sa'yo. I guess you also say opo to even for younger people.
Because I've seen Tagalog movies and it has like a child going, Opo. Opo.
My
And they do that thing
GF.
with their hand or something.
Hi, Daba! Say hi to Daba.
Daba. Hi, Daba.
My GF leaves for the Philippines in about... Wow! Sige, te, maghintay kami sa'yo. Tawagan daw ni ate si Amor.
So your girlfriend is on their way, or what did he say?
Leaves.
Oh, for the Philippines.
Wait, Kevin, your girlfriend's gonna come here in the US?
No.
No, because I remember your story. Your girlfriend actually lives here in the US. Yeah, see?
So she's taking a trip,
Yeah.
basically.
Ako naupo rin ako sa apo ko para
She's gonna see her
gayahin.
mama.
Okay.
She's gonna see her mama and other family.
Yeah, because I remember Kevin's story. Dito po ba yung interview ng Inay Mirna? Sila dalawa ni Amor. Kaso lang si ate ready na siya. Nag-message siya sa akin actually na tawagan na niya si Amor. Kasi ready na si ate. Si Amor ang wala pa nagsagot. So, hintayin na lang natin sila. Hopefully, hindi na kumatos si Miss Catering. Di po kasi mostly sa ating matatanda, dapat i-apply din natin sa mga bata for respect. Oh, okay. So, the Scorpio said that, I guess opo is something that we all should use. That way, the younger people will
Oh,
it's like a learning
Like a
process.
programming.
Yeah, not exactly program. The word programming sounds
not in a
terrible.
bad way, but
Like
like
to
a
teach them.
repetitive
Yeah, exactly.
influence.
Yeah.
Like a positive influence of tradition.
Programming is like
Positive influence of traditional traditions.
Kevin said she will take her mother and sister to Palawan, then to Shanghai, China. Wow. Sounds like fun.
We've been to Shanghai once. Remember
Yeah, and it was really stressful.
that? We barely made it to
Well, you can tell the
connecting flight.
story about that, like while we're waiting for Miss Catering. So what happened was you guys have heard the story. Like we were supposed to try to live in the Philippines for at least a year, and we got everything set up there. And then the kids were taking turns getting sick. So with everything that we planned and actually put into action, we had to leave everything for just being there for exactly 11 weeks.
Yeah.
Because the kids were like 2 kids would get better from taking antibiotics, and then the other 2 kids would get sick, and then they're like just taking turns, and it wasn't healthy. So
Yeah, so we wouldn't recommend American children. I mean, I don't want to say that, but it's like
it depends
for a long,
actually.
maybe for like a short,
Yeah.
maybe like a week or 2, but not to live there.
Kevin said just looking at pictures of Shanghai looks stressful. We can't really speak for like what sceneries is there in China, because when
We never left the airport.
Yeah.
And then when we were at the airport and we were asking for help, people were just looking at us like, oh, yes. Ah.
No, it's almost like we were, you know, like how you look at animals at the zoo. Because we're carrying with us like 4 boys.
We felt that there was gossiping going on around us.
It's kind of like when you go get your nails done. And I mean, I don't know how to speak Vietnamese. So, you know, like they would start talking and you just feel in your gut that they're talking about you. And then you look at them, they're like this, like that. Hello, ma'am and sir. Shout out from Calapan Oriental, Mindoro, Philippines. I'm single mom. Hello, Jenny Castillo, 4620. Thank you for being here. Jaehyun, hello. Hi, nako. It's like the Japanese machine operators at my work. Big language barrier. Yeah. Jaehyun is here.
Hello. Well, the technology now would allow anyone to
Gemma,
communicate
hello.
in any language that's major right now. It's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
It's called, what is it called? ChatGPT.
ChatGPT 4.0.
Have you guys heard of the ChatGPT? Wait, did we just jump? You were gonna tell the story about like when we had like a stopover in China.
Yeah. I wish we would have had ChatGPT then.
Ching Love, hello. Thank you for being here.
How much details do you want me to share about that?
I don't know, why did we talk about China again? Oh, it's because of Kevin. GPT, like Greg, Papa, Tango.
Yes.
Yeah.
I should know what GPT stands for. General. It's terrible. It's like I literally use it every moment.
Yeah, GPT. Painful to be in that airport. Asked the staff where the washroom, and she yelled at me saying no, no English. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Bachacha. When we were there, our youngest I was breastfeeding our youngest. He was only less than 8 months old, and we had like a lot of stuff with us, and at that time our third boy wasn't feeling well kasi nga, like they were taking turns getting sick, and at that time our third boy had like a stomach
some type of
whatever
virus or something. And then on top of that, you remember they don't just transfer your luggage, we had to like check it out, check it in. It's like really
it was such
difficult.
a pain. So we were like walking all over the place, and then we would try to ask for help, and they're looking at us like, look at them, they have 4 boys kind of thing.
Oh, and then we had to be pulled into like a room. You remember like that? Because they wanted to check our luggage. They wanted us to open up our luggage, and we had like like
hairspray.
Just like hairspray, and they thought it was suspicious.
I mean, it's protocol.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was not fun. We
barely made it to our flight, and we had a 5 hour.
You too, Dario.
We had a 5 hour layover, and we were like running
to
get to the plane, and the computer system was down.
Sullivan, hello.
You remember
was
that?
Was it?
Yeah. When we went up to that desk, and then we had to go to a different part of the airport, and it was like,
my goodness,
we were walking back and forth. It was really stressful.
So sad to hear that. I just wish they'll train their staff to learn basic English. No, click next. The question. This was. It's been a year. Like a year and a half.
What's been a year and a half?
Online man siya kanina. Ali Mirna said that she couldn't contact Miss Catering.
Oh, at all?
Yeah. So, anong gagawin? Ano ang gagawin?
So Miss Catering's not gonna come?
Nakamatos. Guys, nagdamagan ba nag-live si Amor kagabi?
Forget it, I'm out of here.
Experience the same thing they saw. All my luggage just thinking maybe. Machacha. Anong gagawin natin, te?
Well, at least they only swabbed your luggage.
Wangot dito eh. Okay, invite kita or ano bang gagawin, te? Just let me know lang anong gusto mong gawin.
Or just bring Aling Myrna up.
Te. Because the whole point is Miss Catering has to.
Yeah, but let's chit chat. I haven't talked to Aling Myrna for a minute.
Narinig mo sinabi niya, te.
Get ready for your nosebleed.
That's exactly what she just said. She's concerned that she's gonna lose, like she's gonna run out of English words to talk to you.
You'll burn calories talking to me for sure. Like you're.
Nag-invite na.
Ito parang handa ako. Hello, Sir Greg!
The beautiful Aling Myrna.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you. Wow, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Ang ganda!
I need to apologize because I cannot attend to your birthday because of my brain.
Okay, opera yun. Uy.
Because I have an important matter about my parts of my body.
That's okay. I like your hair. Your hair looks really nice.
I know.
I like that.
Thank you so much.
Uy, guys, i-contact nyo nga si Amor. Ang
What is
ganda
Miss
ng-
Catering?
She's comatose.
Kumatusing?
Yeah.
Maybe she did like a live last night and she stayed up too late.
Mm. Maybe she's dead on arrival.
Did arrival.
He is in ICU right now.
Hello, Chana.
Wow, what a nice dress you have. That's are you having like a dinner date tonight?
I prepared already.
Wow.
Thank you.
Look at that. Very nice.
Di ba ang sexy?
O, di ba pagkatapos kumain, may pamunas ako ng laway.
She said after eating, then I have something to wipe my face with.
Oh. Can you like make your dress do like a, like those
Like a Ben Medrit.
like those yeah, like those cowgirls.
Uy, numayat ka talaga.
I lost my weight and my soul.
By my soul.
You said your weight and your soul?
Yes.
Yeah.
Built-in napkin, yes, Kevin.
That's all right. You can get your soul back anytime.
Ala!
Catering, where are you? We're running out of time.
So how long has it been?
Tagal na.
It's been at least 6 months, or how long?
Pakisumugo?
Wait, what is... No, it's like...
Kukuluso.
It was this year sometime.
Hello, Layla. Or Layla.
Hey, Laila. Eh di pag wala si Amor, magtsikahan na lang tayo nila, Tisyon. Ganun na lang.
Oo nga. So, parang... Ay, nako.
So how are you?
I'm fine and I'm not good.
Parang mixed
So-
the message.
Fine, not good.
Mixed emotion.
Mixed emotion.
Ah, okay.
Hi, boss, Pogs.
Hello, Pogs.
Sometimes you need to be okay, even though you're deep inside, you're not okay.
Of course.
Yeah.
You have to project what you want to be.
Yeah, because you need to be strong for your kids. Am I right or left, Sir Greg?
Huh?
I mean right or left?
In the
Left?
middle.
In the middle daw.
Sir Greg, look, this is, I received a gift from Papa Bear.
Oh,
Ah,
is that a lotion?
No, it's a tumbler.
What is that?
lotion.
What is that? A candle? Or something else?
A tumbler. Something else daw.
Catering, is that you? Parang sumarib si catering sa kanya.
That's a big candle.
Yeah, big candle. Yeah, this one.
It's a tumbler, Greg.
Tumbler, this is tumbler. And this is the bag.
Oh, I thought it was something else.
Are you thinking of a toy?
I have a toy here, violets.
Violet.
Can you see my toy? Slightly only.
Slightly only.
Just the tip.
This one?
Ano yan?
Yung laruan ko.
Bakit parang ang laki?
Malaki nga. Itapon ko na, di ba? Hindi ko pa natatapon. Yung galing Japan.
Huy, Amor, asan ka na, oy?
Amor, where are you? You're wasting my precious time, you know? I spent 1 hour to put makeup on my face.
Hello, David. Oo nga. Kasi supposedly ang gagawin is di ba, pag-usapan kung
Yes.
what's this?
Si David na lang pakyatin mo pag wala si Amor. O, kaming dalawa mag-games dalawa. Magpatayan kami.
So what have you been up to?
No, hold on. She said that if Miss Catering is not here, then it's gonna be David who will replace Miss Catering
okay.
to do the game.
Sure.
Gusto nyo?
Baka kami yan ang dahilan ng pag-aaway namin dalawa. Ay, very competitive pa naman yan.
David, game ka?
Game ka? Dalawa na lang tayo. Isisend sa'yo yung ipapalaro.
Oo.
Tapos hulaan lang. Magaling naman yan sa English. Uy, parang talo ako dyan. Hulaan lang yung title ng song.
David, okay ka? Ala, si Mami Sean andito, oh. Hello, Mami Sean. Mami Sean, siya.
Hello, Mommy Sean.
Hindi kaya nakalimutan ni Amor ngayon?
Hindi ko ni-remind. Sandali, tingnan ko yung messenger ko.
Wala si Amor, nakumatos. Hello, Ate Sean. Magtsikahan tayo mamaya. Wala pa man si Miss Catering.
Gi-message ko siya kagabi. Hello, Mami Sean. Gi-message ko siya kagabi tapos sabi niya,
Did you send a message
Filter na tayo na para
to David?
no, because I don't know yet if David is open for it.
Okay.
Kaya lang kakauwi niya lang yata yan sa trabaho. Tapos
Andito si Mami Josie at saka si Mami Sean. Sabi ni Mami Sean napuyat sa jowa.
Iyak sa jowa.
Ay,
Pag hindi, magtsikahan na lang tayo nila, Ate Sean.
Gusto mo, pakitin natin sila ngayon?
Sige, kung wala si Amor, tayo na lang magtsikahan. Hindi rin yata available si David kasi kakaano lang, nakauwi.
Mami Sean, tsaka Mami Josie, go kayo. Gusto niyo umakyat?
Up na lang kayo, na-cancel na yung kay Amor, wala si Amor.
Mami Sean and Mami Josie are here. So we can have them come up and chit-chat.
Yeah, let's have a party.
Oh, tara.
Party time. Friday night.
Ano
Ate
ba?
Sean, naghanda pa naman ako sa gala ngayon.
Gayla.
Ate Sean,
Gayla.
The living room gala.
sabi ko si Sharo Santos.
Oo.
Ayan, si Charo.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Greg.
I'm in the presence of all
English.
these amazing
We
women.
need to speak English because we have a foreigner here. Parang talo ako sa inyong tatlo Parang ako yata nagkamali ng pag-ano dito Idea.
Hindi, sasamahan kita dyan. Yoko mag-English.
Ate Sean, with surprise.
Off.
You have to talk English.
We need to talk English.
Yes.
Oh, relax na relax. Ako nakapanggila.
Ita mo naman, I'm still in my bed.
Nakapanggila ako. Oh, mag-boots pa talaga sana ako.
Oh, look at you, oh.
Wow.
Naku, kasi si Miss Catering, I reminded her last night. Tapos, I don't know what happened to her.
She went clubbing.
Hindi. She was live yesterday. So, I don't know.
Lalalaki lang mo.
Wow, ayan. Fresh na fresh si ate.
Ay, nagbihis si Josie. Ako'y nakaganito. Teka nga, okay na to.
Hindi! Galing ako sa clinic kanina.
Hi, Marvy. Marvy's here.
Marvy.
Ay, Marvy. Huwag ka magpalupig, Ate Sean. Magbihis ka dyan. May biglaan tayong meeting. Yung hindi ka
Emergency
na-inform,
meeting.
yung hindi ka na-inform na kamag-anak mo na mayroong
Merong gala. Na merong gala.
May
Tapos,
gayla. Teka, magbibihis ako ng panggayla kong damit.
Suot ka, hatian ng lupa to.
tapos matulog ka.
Na-Indian kayo?
Take care.
So, Miss Catering is missing in action?
Yes. Oh,
She's dead on arrival.
Manlalaki.
Ganun yun.
Her ETA is unknown.
like since andito si Mami Josie at saka si Mami Sean, ikaw mag-interview sa kanila.
Akala ko bukas pa.
Ikaw mag-interview. Hindi ako marunong mag-interview. Interviewin mo kaming tatlo.
O sige, sandali. Hintayin natin yung gala na na pagdadamit ni Mami Sean muna. Sandali, hintayin natin yung gala dress.
Baka magasuot ng yan.
Duckway!
Duckway.
Duckway.
Ay, Duckway.
Hey guys, I'm gonna have this whole thing translated later, and I can understand everything that you're saying
Yeah.
later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan, I just did it because I don't want to comb my hair.
It's
Oh,
okay.
yeah, let's-
When I'm at home, I don't comb my hair.
Ate Sean, you put some makeup.
Sandali.
Ilabas mo na yung mga channel to mo dyan.
yung bigla ang gala. Like on live.
Wala ka kay Ate Josie, naka-ready yan May paano siya.
Hindi, meron lang akong kanina sa clinic. Pero mostly gusgusin ako.
The Gusgusin Sisters.
It just so happened I had an appointment, Greg. That's why I look decent.
I was gonna say it looked like you just went to church or something. With your, You're wearing it's like a blouse. Yeah.
Pagsimba pa lang yung damit mo. Ate Charo, pagsimba yung damit mo.
It's polka dot. It's
Prayer
from,
meeting. Prayer meeting. She's going to a prayer meeting. Greg.
it's from TikTok shop.
Yeah. It
It's
looks
a New
very
Year
professional.
celebration.
Ma'am, lipstick ako.
On the spot.
I will wear lipstick.
Kanaling Mina said it's gala time.
Gala time.
Ano best muna ako?
Naghanap pa ako dito sa ukay-ukay ha para masuot ko lang yung mga notes na to.
Oo nga. My goodness, Miss Catering. Baka
Ang ganda.
Tulog
Ang ganda
mo.
pa naman ng dress mo.
Halagang 300. O, di ba? May panggila nga ako.
O ba si Sean?
Teka, nakita ko suso ko. Excuse me for my boobs. I'm not wearing bra.
It's okay. It's natural. Just be natural.
Ayos na.
Ikaw, Laila, ha?
Alam mo, sorry for my saging boobs.
Hey, no judgment. No judgment.
Oh, that's mental. It's natural without adding chemicals.
Just be yourself.
Sige, magsimula tayo.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let the show begin.
Okay, so impromptu to ha. Hindi ko alam na magkakaganito.
Hey, we could just do those, I think.
No. Kasi, I actually, mag-translate ako kasi nandito si Greg. I really want to know the history of how you three met. Who wants to start? Te?
Josie.
Okay, Mami Josie, go.
Ate Josie.
Well, I'm a fan. I have been a fan of Aling Mirna since I started TikTok. Parati ko siya pinapanood on live. I always watch her. And I can relate to her because she's a typical strong Filipina. You know?
Ano ah.
So,
Aling Mirna because she curses a lot like me.
yes.
Yes.
Because she curses a lot like me, so now I know I'm not different.
Yes.
We're the same
What's
feather.
wrong with cursing?
The same feather flock together.
Yep.
And then they joined force si Miss Catering.
Yeah.
So and then I watch them a lot here on Clean Cat's channel. Whenever yes.
Yeah, maybe we need to bring that back, Aling Mirna.
Yeah.
I think so.
Kasi namimiss ng mga tao.
More often.
Ibalik natin kasi nagsara na yung ABS-CBN at GMA dati eh.
Oo, di namin sila sinuport doon sa dating show. Tapos, yeah, we like them a lot.
Because they're just perfect combo. You know.
Yeah. And then the show got bankrupt. You know? The franchise.
Yeah, because
Nawala ang prangkisa.
they got so popular, so people started fighting over them.
Because me and catering is we are the cause of our fighting here.
Yeah. So, because
But
they
anyway.
fight, we fight.
And we fight.
Yeah, I
Ano
remember
pala, Mami
those.
Sean? Birthday mo ba, Mami Sean?
Hindi. Ewan ka ba dito? Roxy, sa mo naman nakuha, it's not my birthday.
Happy birthday Ate Sean. Baka naman. Happy birthday tayo.
Wala.
Nagkagulat.
It's not my birthday today.
Whose birthday?
Somebody said happy
It's
birthday
not
to
my
Mami.
birthday, Roxy. Sandali ah.
Hi, Pen. Thank you so much. Because of the filter, I'm fresh.
Oo nga.
10:18. Na birthday daw talaga, oh. Pero ikaw te, like what do you remember, like how, like your very first interaction with Mami Josie at saka Mami Sean?
Ang pinakamalapit talaga sa akin si Mami Josie, si Ate Josie. Magaan yung loob ko sa kanya. Huli na to sa atin.
Hindi, ganon.
Ate Sean kasi parang grabe, di ba yan makipaglaban noon? Katapang-tapang. Sabi ko, natakot ako makipagkaibigan sa kanya kasi baka mag-away kaming dalawa. Yung personality ba niya? Grabe nga yan, di ba? Siya ang nasa backup yan. Di ba siya ang nasa unahan?
Oo. You know, she's reluctant to make friends with Sean because Sean, you know, she's a tiger.
Tiger.
No, she's a lioness. But a lot of people have that impression, but she's not. She's just really funny. Like Aling Mirna, she's so, you know, the way she talks, you know, it seems like she's always mad, but no, they're not. They're just, you know, they have this personality that just magnetic.
Yes.
That's how I like Sean too, because you know, her content.
Mahilig sa palamura.
They remind me of my mother. Because my mother is so abrupt and she likes to say bad words.
Oh my gosh, nagmumura talaga.
Walang mura man sa atin yun. Pag ako nagsalita, ikaw na mag-translate kay Sir Greg. Nahirapan ako eh.
Nahirapan. Like she said that if whatever she says, I'm just gonna translate it to you because she's having hard
Yes,
time.
Sir Greg, because my English is good for 5 minutes only. If I talk a lot of English, my brain is damaged, my heart is pumping.
It's good. It's good for your metabolism.
So you will interview us, we will interview you.
Hoy!
Oh, bakit? So it's nice. It's back and forth of question.
I mean, like,
Yes.
Ako taga-sagot lang.
hindi kasi like, nawala kasi sa plano.
Oo nga. So impromptu. But you know what? Adding to that, a lot of people felt so bad when Aling Myrna lost her job, diba? Nalungkot kami noon. Tapos, but before that, nag-message na kami ni Aling Myrna because of some misunderstanding na guesting nila. Yung show before, it's in the past, but that's how we started talking because nagka-misunderstanding. Tapos, siyempre, nalungkot si Aling Myrna. So I called her and I said, I'm sorry. Ganyan. Pero hindi naman ako in charge nung show. Talaga ako nagsusorry. yung ganon. So I felt like I could talk to her. We just that one time na we were talking and I felt the connection. And then after that, I was so sad nung she lost her job and then her husband nagka-aksidente pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano nangyari kay Muhammad dito?
Si Mohammed, may crush yata sa akin. Nahanap ang asawa ko.
Muhammad, my husband, I'm single now.
Aling Myrna.
Mohammed.
Aling Myrna, are you a cougar?
Okay?
You know what a cougar is?
Ano daw yun?
You know like
Who likes young men?
yeah, you know like
You
a
like
cougar.
younger men.
Yes.
Yes.
You are a cougar?
A cougar is a woman who likes younger men.
Before I like old men, but now I taste robot, I like younger man now.
So you're a cougar.
Ano tawag doon sa cooker? Cooker? Rice cooker?
Cougar. Like the cat, the cougar cat.
Something like that. I like the younger now. I think delicious.
You think?
If I had given a chance to marry again, I would choose younger than me.
Why?
No
I
such
think-
thing.
Very delicious and nutritious.
Delicious and nutritious.
Nutritious.
I don't like younger men.
The
I
younger
think
man.
it's going to be tiring for me.
No, seriously though. Like, why do you think you three nag-click kayo? Like, why do you think you three ladies became good friends?
I think Aling Myrna saw the friendship between the two of us. Plus, I think I always hear this from Aling Myrna, how I defended, the previous,
Yes.
I know,
Yes. Taga-yes.
the previous black.
Taga-yes na lang ako. Kakapagod kayong kausap ah.
Ayun, so, yun. So, I think she admired me for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yun. So, I always do things funny on TikTok. Like, for example, if everybody's getting along, I will get in the picture and I will destroy that momentum, Remember that scenario, Aling Myrna, that everybody's getting along and apologizing to each other? Sorry, love, and peace. Love, and peace. Okay, here I come. I will be doing love, and peace.
Like a tornado.
If you want war, I'll give you war.
Yeah, so I think Aling May just like admire me for saying really what I feel. Like if I don't feel like, leave me alone with your crap, I will do it. So I think that's how
Like
you admire
own
me.
personality.
Like what you see is what you get. Like I don't sugarcoat things, and I don't like, there is no mask.
Yeah.
What you see is what you get. But you know, if I don't like what you're doing, then I don't like what you're doing. That's it. You'll get it straight from me.
I can relate to you on that one. Because I'm like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're a
I don't need
destroyer?
the world. I don't need
Yeah.
to win everybody's friendship. If you like me, you like me. If you don't like me, you don't like me.
If you don't like me, spank me.
Spank me? Spank me, then I'll eat you.
Uy!
Natin ay.
Sige, Mommy Josie, how would you rate Aling Mirna's gala dress?
I love it.
Oh, sexy lady.
Dapat ka medyo may baba pa eh. Dapat hanggang dito eh, no?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yes.
A mini black dress.
Yeah.
You know, I wish you could come to the gala, Aling Mirna.
Kailan yun uli?
Magplastikan tayong tatlo. Ate Josie.
Dahil marami naman nang nag-away-away. We can all go and sit in one table.
Tapos magplastikan tayo doon. Di ba mga mayayaman nagabiso-biso?
Yeah.
Ate Josie, how are you today? You look fabulous and gorgeous. Di ba mga ganun, di ba pag mayayaman? Tangina na yung makabasag pa ako dyan.
No, we will bring rice in the hotel. We will eat rice before we go to the gala. So we
What about my bilbil? If I eat a lot of rice?
Or maybe we'll eat rice after the gala. Of course, we will
After.
Has there ever been an actual official gala where everyone got together or not yet?
I think this is the first time, not everybody, of course, the two barangay fighting, they will not be together, you know? It's a separate.
Sandali lang. Hindi kayo maintindihan ni Greg kasi wala yung alam sa mga
Alam. So I think this gala is led by another group. The other thingy bell is led by another group. So I don't know. Probably there's still 4 months. We never lose hope. Why? You know, everybody's open for reconciliation. Why not?
Much better you invite both of them so that we have a big
I think
fight.
this next is inviting both everybody.
They should
Can't you guys see them there?
Yeah,
You know
you
what
bring
they
a
should
lot
do?
of grenade and knife. So
You know what would be really a good idea? Guys,
Hindi makasingit si Greg. Okay, go. Go.
you know,
Sorry, I'm so
you know
sorry.
what they
Sir
should
Greg.
do? They should have a wrestling match ring, like where they
Uy!
get, you know, like you know, like the wrestling shows, you know, where they're like talking crap, you know, like The Rock. You know, and they
That
can
would be fun.
like a drama, you know, like, hey, like you think this, okay, and then pull their hair.
Yeah.
Or
Or
you
That would
bring
be,
the Armalite,
that would get a lot
the
of.
machine gun.
Or yung ano,
we can do
It's
much
all
wrestling.
like
That would be
fake-
great.
fake wrestling, but they could really, since they don't like each other, they could really like talk to each other like that, you know, like.
Di ba pero parang merong ganon yung mga creators na like they're not, are they actually enemies? Like they do like a face off?
Who at the
No, like the creators, like
wrestling?
The PK?
Ikaw mag-finance Ate Sean, nung ganyan.
They do have drama, like in real.
You get it for free here on TikTok. Why do I need to finance it? Just scroll down your live, Greg. You will see live.
Well, they have the influencer boxing. Have you heard of that?
Oh, really?
Where influencers, they have boxing matches and then people bet on who's gonna win.
Oh.
Like TikTokers will battle, like they'll do a live boxing match and then it'll be like a real. They really prepare for it and everything.
Like they actually
Yeah.
do boxing?
Yeah, and they make a lot of money. They make a lot of money because of sponsors and all this. Like,
Oh, that's nice. You made a show, Sir Greg. You're the producer.
maybe
You invite both of them.
Parang
that would
hindi
be fun.
Hindi ko. Yeah. Si Eleni, meron na agad suggestion. Sean versus who?
I will choose my opponent, the one that I'm sure that I will win. You know who is that?
Sean sa'yo, yung mapayat-payat ang kalaban mo. Yung
Yeah,
mapayat-payat.
with one hit.
You have to sign the waiver though.
Oo.
No suit, no law case. Lawsuit. No lawsuit.
Lawsuit.
Yeah, no
Sign the
lawsuit,
waiver.
huh? If I destroy your face, no lawsuit.
Yeah, so it would be a very risky.
Yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of liabilities on that one.
No, you would have a waiver. Everything would be a waiver.
No FBI daw
You could wear
addition.
like pads, like armor.
Oh, Eleni will take care of the lawsuit.
Lawsuit si Eleni. Meron na. People are already like signing up for different parts of that idea.
Man, that would
No
be
lawsuit, no FBI, ah.
no FBI.
Kasi parang maraming liability kasi yan siya.
We could hold it at the MGM Grand Hotel in Las Vegas.
That would be
Yeah. Then Aling here.
I would like mud wrestling. You know mud
Be
wrestling.
the announcer. She could be like, tonight we have Sean Love in corner number 1. Her opponent is 5'2", 100. And you know what I'm saying? That would be fun.
5'2", 400 pounds.
What?
400 pounds. I feel bad kasi naghanda ka talaga.
It's okay not to be okay.
I said,
Sometimes,
got
there's
right.
always a reason behind that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, it's already been worth it.
I know.
Maybe she doesn't have the internet connection or Sana I hope she's not banned.
Can you call her? Can you call her on her?
Yeah, I call her already. I think his Almoranas is damaging right now.
Maganda pa naman kami. Kayo na lang kaya.
Ano yan? Sige. Gusto ko yan.
Eleni, si Miss Catering, ang
We have words here. So, siya? Mga bagay na nakikita sa loob ng bahay. Tagalog siya. Tapos, scramble namin siya tapos mag-unahan ng paghula. Pero how will this work? Tatlo kayo.
Unahan na lang kami.
O sige. Ito.
Well, how about whoever gets it first, give them a point, and then whoever has the most points at the end will win.
Uy, nag-message si Amor.
Ayan na.
ayan na.
Nag-message siya sa'yo?
Tingnan ko, message ko eh.
Ayan na.
Papanigin natin. Bababa kami.
Sandali. Kasi sabi niya,
Para
Nay.
ituloy.
Wala.
Wala, baka sa'yo pa lang. Baka kagigising niya lang ng lalaki siguro yon kagabi. Ako kasi maaga ako nag-out kasi nga may kami ngayon, may interview kami. Tapos sabi ko, pagkatapos namin ni Amor, mag-chikahan tayo.
Nagharot lang yan.
Sayang yung lipstick ko dito. Ay, nakailang patong na, atay.
Oo nga.
What did she say?
Live ka, Ate Sean. Isama mo naman ako sa live nyo. Ate Sean.
Oo nga, mag-akyat kami sa live nyo, Mami Sean, Mami Josie, sometimes.
Yeah. Bihira naman kami mag-live nito.
Pag nag-live lang nga kayo na special lang kasi, di ba? Si Ate Josie kasi nakakainis tong kaaway. Napakalambing. Yeah.
Miss Catering, akyat ka!
Ayan na.
Huran.
Oh, ayan na siya.
Bababa kami.
Huran. Kasi kakagising pa lang daw niya.
Gising niya pala.
Sige, mag-warm up ka muna, bebe ko.
Niya.
Maglagay muna ako ng blush on sa aking mukha. Labis yung makeup ko eh.
Sorry, I'm late. Wait lang.
What happened to you, Amor?
I'm very comatose right now.
We understand.
Wait, nag-start na ba kayo?
Hi, Miss Aurora!
Hi, Madam Aurora.
Kanina pa ba? Nag-start?
Oh, 1 hour ka nang late. It's okay.
Bababa
Okay.
na kami.
Ay, okay.
Para pag-start na kayo, manonood kami sa baba.
Oo, manonood kami.
Thank you,
Wait lang
Mom.
ha.
Thank you, Mami Sean. Ate Josie.
you, ladies.
Okay,
Have a good
bye-bye.
Bye, Jenny and Greg.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.
Manonood kami. We'll be watching.
Thank you, Mami Josie, Mami Sean.
Paano ba to?
Hindi marunong bumaba. Hindi ko din alam
Wait lang, Nay.
Okay lang. Take your time. It's already 1 hour late. It's okay.
It's okay.
Wala naman akong trabaho, Amor. Kaya okay lang. Pero kung may trabaho ako, nagmaoy na ako ngayon.
Oo nga.
Papasok ako ng ano.
Gising ko lang.
Magtutras
I
ka
was really thinking, I feel bad kasi nag-already at Miss Catering is kumatos. Kakagising mo lang.
Are you okay?
Nag-live ka ba magdamag kagabi, Amor?
CR pa siguro.
He fell back asleep.
So, ang nigrig baka bumalik ng...
Umatos pa si Amor, hintayin natin.
Oh, see, Miss Aurora said she went to bed late.
Too much dancing parties, huh?
Dancing. Ano ulit naman tayo ng lipstick?
JHO or Joe said, Miss Catering is putting something on for Dela. Kasi nakapag-gala si ate.
Kapanggila ako ngayon.
Saan ba kasi nanggaling yung gala-gala na yan? Bakit mo gibanggit?
Ha? May sarili kaming gala. Mag-ano din kami.
Mag-gala kayo.
Yan man ang plano ko noon sa ano. Thank you, Madam Aurora. Yan sana yung plano ko ba nung umuwi ako. Magpa-disco ako sa amin. Tapos mag-dress ang mga kabataan. Ang problema, di ba, nagkasakit ako.
Yeah.
Parang doon sa harap ng covered court namin na bago ako mag-uwi, mag-disco kami, magsuot kami ng nakapanjiis, mag-inuman. Minman, walang natupad.
That was her plan to do something like that.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, it's okay.
Formal dress up kind of thing.
Okay lang mo ka akong nakarugby.
Hello.
Hala,
Hindi ako
kakagising.
kumakas.
Amor, nakapanggila ako.
Okay lang.
Tingnan mo, pinaghandaan ko talaga yung pagkikita natin, oh.
Okay lang. Ako yung basura dito.
Ano basura, oy.
Grabe naman.
Gising ko lang. Akala ko alas 8 pala, pagtingin ko sa cellphone ko, alas 10 na pala.
Oo nga. Actually, Amor, supposedly, si ate, she's open for 9 a.m. her time. Tapos sabi ko, masyadong maaga kay Amor. Kasi yung 9 a.m. sa kanya is 8 a.m. sa'yo. So, gipush namin siya ng 10 a.m. sa kanya, 9 a.m. sa'yo.
Sige. Time out.
Magkape ka na? Kumain ka na?
Magkape ka
Magsubo.
muna.
Ha?
Magsubo ka muna dyan.
Oo
Ng
nga.
tubig.
Hindi kayo
Wala ka naman
gising pala
pagkain.
kayo.
Ano
I'm
man
not
ang tubig
feeling
ako?
milk yan, kay may ubo ako.
Ako may tubig din. Tubig lang.
Kahit ako sa pumunta, tubig lang ang katapat.
Magkape ka muna. Yung kape mo ba? Para magising.
Mamaya.
Capricorn, thank you.
Gising na to. Hi, Sir Greg.
Hello. Hello, Miss
Good
Catering.
morning.
It's good to see you.
Me too.
Start na ng interview. Tapos ano na tayo?
Did you have a good sleep?
Yes. I think I'm not going to wake up because my sleeping is, diretso na.
Ano?
Sakit naman ang lalamunan ko. Parang
Okay.
nag-waiter na ata ako.
Okay, so actually, the plan talaga is to do kind of like an interview of how you guys met, and it led to both of you meeting in person in Manila, di ba? So magsimula tayo. Like, take us back, like how you guys met, and do you remember when that was? How long ago was it when you guys met?
Ikaw muna, amor, tapos kopihin ko lang yung English mo.
When I met my mother, it's when I met my mother, I'm so sad that moment because it's a very small amount time. But the small time, I'm happy to see him.
Her,
Yes,
ako patay ako ngayon. Her, wag mo naman ako gawing lalaki ngayon. Her. Her. I-hair mo ako. I-hair mo. Ganda na makeup ko. I-hair. Oh. Oh, sige, sige na.
Okay. I'm happy to see here in
Here.
Philippines. Oh, diba?
Okay.
I'm happy to see here in the Philippines, and when I see Inay and human rights, she's a beautiful and simple girl, and I think he is just like 1.5 liters. She's a small girl, but we have a big heart, and she's a very, very
1.5 liters.
what?
Ginawa.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Ginawa akong Coca-Cola. Ganun ako.
She's a small girl, just like a 1.5. When I see, I'm so shocked. So, oh my God, I thought you are a high tide human, but when I see you,
Sir Greg.
your height is just like a 1.5. But I'm happy, and you have a big heart, and I enjoyed that moment. Yes,
Thank you for the compliment. But I did
a
not
very,
accept the
very small time.
Small time.
Yes, that's it.
Sandali. Hold on. Grabe ang fast forward. Sandali. Balik. Paano? Like, okay. How did you guys meet? Muna.
Saan tayo na nagkakilala?
Oo.
I met here in social mental because you know what, I am a content cremation, and my Aling Myrna she is joining my live, and I'm happy to meet him. And when I met, we have a lot of memories with Inay. At that moment, my mother is helped me. We have a lot of learnings. He teach me how to dogi until now. And we have a lot of memories. Sometimes,
Ano yun, Tim?
bahala kayo na mag-adjust.
That's right. Tapos si kalaway ko, bahala na kayo dyan. Sir Greg.
Ano ba yung gusto nyo?
Si Sir Greg, kumatos na.
Kaya pa Sir Greg.
Okay, hold on. Let me ask Greg.
I'm feeling the vibe.
Okay, what did you understand? Catering said.
It sounded suspicious.
It sounded suspicious. It sounded
Yes, it's very precious.
Something about a dog.
I'm happy to meet Inay here in social mental. I have a lot of memories. My mother is give advice me what is the right and what is the left. I'm happy at that moment. I have a boyfriend. That is the time I'm happy until now, and I no need to return the memories because my heart is a very emotional. We have a lot of friends and we have a lot of... Ikaw na lang kaya magsabi kay Sir Good kaya nahirapan na ako mag-English.
Ako na.
Para ba ma-express yung explanation ko? Ikaw na lang yung Google Transaction.
Sinaalala niya si Jay.
Sino?
Si Jay!
So no
No,
boyfriend,
never mind. I don't care that
no boyfriend,
guy.
na?
What?
No boyfriend, na? Huh?
No boyfriend, no. I have a new arrival.
You rented a new boyfriend now.
Yes. I have a new arrival boyfriend. I'm here now at the house of my boyfriend.
Okay.
Yes,
so,
because
so ikaw, Tel,
Okay,
like, what do you remember, like, the first time that you met Miss Catering?
I'm Myrna.
I saw video Miss Catering in Facebook. I admire her how she joke. I admire her so much. I share her video because she is very funny, natural, with no chemicals. And then we met here in TikTok. During that live, I watched Miss Catering live, but she did not notice me because there's a lot of followers watching. So one time we have a live to live when I was working in a factory that time. Remember that, Amor? And you're washing the dishes?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Yes, I am.
I understand. So we have a different kind of English that time. And that's it. And how we meet Amor.
So you guys, you both started doing a live to live, and then would you say that that was like your very first?
The very first time we talked to each other, and then we invited Miss Mia, the Tektukan Live that time. And then after that, the GMA and the AB7 had an argument, and we are very happy that we have Channel 5, which is the King Class channel. And me and Amor is very lucky to have a channel, and then we meet you, Sis Jen and Sir Greg, and then we continue our good vibes here at TikTok because of your channel.
Inom ka ng tubig, Amor.
Yes. May tubig ka na lang ako dito.
That's why we go away.
That's why you go away. What was it that
Yes.
yung ano ba yung na feel nyo na nag-click kayong dalawa? Like, what was it that you thought was common between you two?
The first
Masaya. Masaya naman na maganda yung tandem namin. Give and take and good vibes and happy. Masaya kami na marami kaming taong napapasaya kahit nag-away-away sila. Kami, pakialam namin sa kanila, basta masaya kami na nagbibigay saya. Tapos, dahil sa mga good vibes namin ni Inay, nakagawa kami ng isang company, Budol Foundation na Budol Foundation.
Budol.
Yes.
Budol Foundation.
Yung Budol Foundation ay na-bankrupt. But I'm happy we are giving good vibes to many people. And until now, my followers, when I was born, when I was, my TikTok is comatose, I can see the followers is he find me to support me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ingatan
And
niyo.
my mother has helped me to, my followers is refundable.
Yeah. No, I picked that up already.
Okay,
My
ikaw,
O naman inay.
And what's the question again? I forgot. I was carried away by Miss Catering answer.
You're duplicating.
What's the question again?
What do you think? What do you think is yung parang nag-click kayo ba? Like, kayong dalawa.
I think si Amor kasi ano yan, when it comes to the family, talagang ano siya, mabait. Di ba, kung paano niya alagaan si inay niya, ganun. Kasi di ba parang nakikita ko sa kanya na parang ako nung mga kamag-anak. Yung parang gagawin ang lahat para sa pamilya, kung gaano niya kamahal yung pamilya niya. At saka may kapatid, di ba akong gay, dalawa. Kaya mas malapit ako sa loob. I have a brother, gay. So I love the LGBTQRS family. And I respect a lot.
Yeah.
At sobrang ano ni Amor, yung natural siya eh. Kasi di ba may mga bakla na nabubwisit ako? Yung,
Oo, natural yung pagpapatawan niya.
si Amor kasi may special si Amor na siya lang ang mayroon sa sarili niya. Nawala sa ibang bakla, di ba? Sa ibang gay. Yung tawag dito na napalapit sa akin. Tapos pag magbatuhan kami ng joke, parang
Sunod-sunod.
sunod-sunod na parang hindi kami nauubusan. So nung time din na yun, grabe, na-pressure din ako, di ba, yung mga tao, sinasabi, Aling Mirna, Miss Catering, yung ano, may time na minsan, kunti na lang ang tulog ko.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba, yun, hindi man kami dalawa nung time na yun. Tapos, syempre, hindi mo naman din, hindi ko rin mahawakan si Amor, hindi niya na palagi na lang kami kasi may pamilya din ako. Tapos si Amor, kailangan niya rin mag-live ng sarili. Kaya in-explain ko sa kanila, kung kami lang ni Amor ang mag-live lagi, paano na makikita si Amor? Diba? Si Amor, parang masakit din sa akin noon, parang napalapit sa akin si Amor, tapos parang biglang nawala. Pero kailangan kong tanggapin kasi kailangan din ni Amor na makakilala ng iba't ibang tao. May mamit siya, parang mas gagaling pa yung kanyang mga pagjo-joke.
Yeah.
Kaya yun, naghiwalay man kami dalawa, pero hindi kami nag-away. Pag pupunta ako sa live niya, siya pupunta pa rin sa live. Tapos 'di ba yung mga bardagulan ngayon, sinasama kami.
So, okay, let's
Nag-time out muna kami.
sabi ni Greg, translation.
Translation. Kailangan ko mag-English.
No, like what Aling Mirna was saying was that they pretty much have the same
Kailangan natin interpretan, mahirap mag-English eh.
especially when it comes to the family.
Yeah.
Family that prays together, stay together.
Yes.
And she
I really admire Miss Catering for loving her mother. How she provide for his family. She sacrificed a lot for her family, so she deserve a lot of blessing and love to all the people here in TikTok. But she don't deserve a basher because I know Miss Catering is very kind and had a good heart. Pwede na yun?
pwede na. Okay, so fast forward natin doon. Like let's do like a fast forward when both of you finally saw each other in person. Was that planned?
No.
No. So like parang nangyari na lang siya.
Ano daw?
Biglaan siya. Yung pagkikita natin, Amor, before I asked Miss Catering because I have a gift for her. So I asked her many times if we meet in Manila. And then she said that she's very busy that time. So I feel sad because I want to meet Miss Catering that time. But suddenly, she messaged me and she wants to meet me.
Okay. So, yung very first moment that you saw each other, ano yung naramdaman nyo?
Si Amor todo ang iyak niyan. Ako parang nagulat ako. Kasi parang, di ba, sa TikTok lang kami nag-uusap, lagi nagabardagulan, tapos makikita mo na sa harapan. Tapos ang ganda ni Amor, ang kinis. Sexy siya. Maganda talaga si Amor sa personal. It's very beautiful.
Ikaw, Amor, ano yung naramdaman mo nung nakita kayo in person?
Minsan,
Ha?
ang bagal ng signal ko, oy.
Sing yata ito.
Ang signal ko kumatos.
Parang ang layo ng sagot. Ano ang naramdaman mo nung nagkita kayo in person ni ate?
Masaya kasi hindi ko na sana magkikita kami. Tapos sa ano lang kami nag-uusap sa TikTok. Tapos mabuti pa yung iba na nag-meet sila. Tapos gusto ko talaga mag-meet kami kasi I want to feel emotion. Gusto ko siyang yakapin kasi part siya ng buhay ko. Marami mga pangyayari na part siya. Marami siyang mga tinulong sa akin, mga advice.
Saan may emotion?
Naiyak mo naman ako.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Oo. Like, I think you guys can do this.
Kahit dumating yung time na pakiramdam ko parang nawala sa akin lahat. Yung mga tao na na-realize ko na people come and go. Tapos alam mo yung parang ako na lang mag-isa. Kaya pumunta ko, nung nakita kami ni Inay, ang ano nung pakaramdam ko noon, ang bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam ko. Ang bigat ng pakiramdam ko kasi parang ayoko naman vlog, yung tipong ayoko na ba, pumunta ako sa kaibigan ko, sa madam ko, sa Manila, tapos sinama ko ni Inay nung yung tipong pagala-gala na ako sa Maynila kay parang wala na talaga, parang iba na yung nararamdaman ko, parang gusto ko bang mag-work na lang ba, ayoko na dito sa social media kasi parang wala nang susuporta sa akin, yung mga tao, nawala na. Hanggang napunta ako sa Bohol, balik naman dito sa Manila, napunta ako sa Pasay, paikot. Iba, yung mga tao na pinuntahan ko, iba-iba. Pupunta ako sa Bohol, balik naman sa Manila, kay hindi ko alam kung saan ako makahanap ng ano. Tapos, nung time na yun na okay na ako, na-realize ko na pagpatuloy ko na lang kaya mag-vlog, mag-live, ganyan. Kasi, akala ko lang susuporta talaga sa akin. Matumal na yung abuloy, hindi na ako makakapag-provide para kila Inay ng pagkain. Tas, yun na. Na-realize ko na, sabi ko, lalaban ulit ako. Tas, lumaban ulit ako. Pag uwi ko ng late, yun na, parang nag-viral at yung 5 Little Monkey, nakatulong din sa akin. Marami ulit ng suporta, parang gumising ulit ang diwa ng Almoranas ko.
Marami naman magsuporta sa'yo, Amor, kasi di ba kahit mabanyang ano mo, Amor is Amor pa rin. Iba na yung nakatataka na kasi sa mga tao.
Yeah. Iba ang Miss Catering. Meron na talaga Miss Catering sa social media.
Baka hindi ako mapapagod na
Yes,
tulungan.
kahit ilang TikTok pa ang maban, sa TikTok na lang mapapagod. Madidelete na lang yung TikTok, wag lang ang ako. Hindi ako mapapagod gumawa ng TikTok as long as may natuto pa sa akin at may napapasaya pa ako.
Nakatatlong promote na ako sa account mo.
Ha?
Nakatatlo na.
You should go on tour. Aling Mirna, you,
Napapagod ka na ba, Nay?
Hindi ako mapapagod sa'yo. Siyempre, dito pa rin ako lagi. Eh, madalang tayo hindi naman magbago yun. Kaya, di ba? Tinutulungan kita sa mga ano ko dyan, kung ano yung mga racket ko. Nakailang ligaw kaya ako sa CEO.
Uy, alam mo ba, Amor, pag nag-uusap kami ni ate, like, pinag-uusapan pa talaga namin, tapos, you know, like, pinag-uusapan namin na sana mo yung account mo, mga ganun. Kasi bright ang future mo dito.
Oo nga eh.
Kaya nga din sinasabi ko, ma'am, sa mga CEO din, sabi ko, sana matulungan niyo si Amor para yung nanay, pati yung nanay niya. Para ano. Siyempre, kung ano yung blessing na natatanggap ko, gusto ko i-share din yun sa'yo. Hindi lang sa'yo, di ba? Pati doon sa mga naging malapit dito sa akin. Kung parehas tayong maghirap, edi maghirap din tayong dalawa. Kung parehas tayong broken sa pag-ibig, broken. Sabay din tayo.
Sa lahat ng first interaction nyo sa yung pag-live to live nyo, ano yung pinaka-memorable? What's the most memorable live to live that you guys have done ever since you started doing a live together? Kasi di ba nag-click naman talaga yung pag-collab nyo.
Marami talaga. Marami na sigurong nagkapira ng dahil sa aming tambalan ng mga senior ng mga video.
Oo nga, ang dami
Nauna pa sila sa amin.
talaga sa video nyo.
Salamat din kami noon, 'di ba, kung ano. Pero halos lahat talaga patok. Nung bago kami ni Amor, halos 'di ba na marami din nag-message sa amin ng mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay, yung mga may mga depression, tapos pag napapanood kami ni Amor,
Masaya
yun,
sila.
masaya sila. Parang naging happy feel din na kami sa TikTok.
Siguro okay na yun sila ngayon. Ka-move on na. Marami kaya nangyari ng time na yun na naging OFW tayo.
Oo. Di ba
Ang daming ganap.
Nag-camping pa tayo ng live. Nagbitbit tayo ng mga ano noon. Masaya yon.
Oo nga, ang dami na nila.
Kahit ngayon pa naman, di ba? Parang yung pagmamahal pa din ng tao sa amin ni Amor, ganun pa rin. Kasi di ba, lalo di ba ngayon, may mga bagong sikat na mga TikToker. Nandiyan sila Perlas, sila Jenny, sila Pukirat, sila Quindura. Ini-include pa rin kami ng mga tao. Yung sabi ko, mahal pa rin kami ni Amor ng mga tao dito sa TikTok.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
isali niyo si Miss Catering, isali niyo si Aling Mirna, sinasabi nila ng ganun.
Maganda yung mga bagong collaboration yun. Maraming natutuwa talaga.
Tapos parang binabantayan na nila, parang isa kami sa mga happy pill dito sa TikTok.
Oo. Maganda nga yun yung mga followers ba? Kay hindi sila tamad mag-scan record. Nauna pa sila sa atin.
Nauna sila, bantayan nila yan.
Pagkatapos mo maglabay, kita mo, may naka-mention na sa'yo.
Nauna nga sila.
O sige na, parang nalulungkot ako. Ano ang unang gagawin natin? Parang yung word scramble or yung guessing ng song title?
Ano yung word scramble? Word scramble. Mag-games.
May laro pala tayo, wait lang.
May laro. Words.
Kumatos talaga siya, Teo.
Okay, may sinend ka sa akin.
Oo, kanina.
Wait.
Magkakampin, di ba kayo ni Sir Greg? Kami dalawa. Miss Jen.
Tapos I don't wanna keep you guys too long kasi alam ko na, 'di ba, like trending kayo ngayon, meron kayong mga collaboration, yun nga nila Perlas, ganun.
Sa gabi man yun, mga panggabi yun, pag mga tulog na yung mga tao,
Pag tulog na kami dito.
pag tulog na ang Amerika, mga bandang ano naman yun sila.
Ang hirap pala ng kanta na to, di ko makilala.
Alam mo ba, Amor, nung gisend ko yan sa'yo, sabi ko parang ang hirap nito.
Like, ayan, alam mo na, magpalaro muna tayo niyan. Parang mahaba yan ay.
Sige, ang word scramble muna tayo. Para kung maubusan tayo ng oras, hindi na tayo mag-song title kasi ang hirap.
Oo.
Baba,
Hirap
mamili
nga.
nyo sa baba. Sa baba, mamili sila. 1, 2, 15.
Sandali, unahin talaga natin ang kuan, ang song title.
So,
Sige.
title muna, Scramble.
Next time.
Scramble?
Ay, sandali.
Ano ba mauna?
Naguluhan na.
Ako naguluhan na din.
Sige, unahin natin yung scramble, okay?
Sige.
Amor, unahin mo muna natin ang scramble. Okay, ito siya. Munting na itong mabigay kanina kana Mami Shon at saka Mami Josie kasi baka nakumatos ka. So ito siya, bagay na makikita sa loob at labas ng bahay. Tagalog siya. Okay? Sandali. So ang team A is Aling Mirna and me. Tapos ang team B, kayo ni Greg. Okay? Amor. So ito.
Or isn't it just them two against each other?
Ay, oo nga pala. Nalito na ako. Sige kayo. Kasi sa word scramble ganito. Okay, sige.
But we
ito.
can do that. Miss Catering, you're on my team.
Iko.
Ano?
Sandali.
You're upside down?
Baliktad.
Yeah.
Ayusin mo yung ano.
Oo. Iko. Ganyan. Start na ba?
Is that backwards?
Oo. Uy, grabe ang...
Huwag kayo magsali sa baba.
Oh, wag muna, guys.
Is that
Huwag kayo
backwards?
magsali sa baba. Oy, kami lang muna ni Amor.
Is it backwards?
Yatay itong sa baba. Huwag kayo magsali.
What is that? I think it's backwards. There you go. That's it's
Oo,
like
wag yan. Kinaulaan na nila. Kutsi.
like that. No, it's like
Comment
this.
now. Off comment now. Off comment.
There you go.
Jeon, andito ka ba? Alam ko si Jeon, moderator ko siya.
Oi, kiss.
Nahulaan na nung
Kutsi.
Yot.
No, okay lang naman na on ang comment. Wag niyo lang
Huwag na kayo magsali. Huwag kayo mag-comment.
Oo, tumawa lang kayo dyan.
Yeah, it's kotse, which is car.
Sabi ni Sir Greg Yot.
Ako nalito din at paano ba to? Okay, ito.
Okay. Yeah.
Baliktad ba? Okay, here.
Ano yan?
Lama.
Lamisa.
Lamisa.
Yes! Nauna si ate. Yay! Okay,
Sino ba nauna?
Okay, we'll just do this. I'll say that was her. That was Aling Mirna.
Aling Mirna,
Okay,
yeah.
that's you
Okay.
put those over there, and then this one goes over here.
Okay, ito.
Okay,
Ito, may...
3, 2, 1. I think you.
Pader.
Frigider? Ano yan?
Yes! Oh my gosh! Akala ko talaga mahirap
Ano?
kayo nakulot eh. Grabe, Pregider, oo.
Wala ka ng ideya sa akin, ah. Pader.
Ano daw?
Father.
Okay, ito.
Sali.
Huwag mag-comment, guys.
Salty.
Okay.
Don't say that.
Ano yan? Sali?
Huwag mag-comment, uy.
Nagko-comment naman to sila.
Silya.
Lana.
Oh, wala na.
Which
Oo.
one?
Celia is chair.
Share.
Kapag ng Tagalog, hindi ko rin natandaan.
Miss Catering, got it?
Tagalog.
Somebody commented.
Ano yan? Igorot? Ano yan?
Pogri.
I.
Ha? Ano to? Ano siya?
Gurilya.
Gurilya? Hindi. Like,
Laway nila usa. Gripo daw, sabi nila.
sino na?
Ulit naman naman
Grape,
yung
oh.
comment na to. Ay,
Oo.
Oh, sige.
What is Greedo?
Gripo is like the faucet or something.
sabi ko, igorot.
That's
Ang
what
layo.
Yeah, that's a thing.
Oh.
Okay, here.
Ano yan?
Ano siya? Like,
Lamparilya.
lampara, oo. Nauna si ate. Yay. I-discard ko
Ginawa
sana.
mo, lamparilya.
Lamparilya, o pwede yung maliit. Okay, ito.
Ano yan?
Ano siya, like, isa siyang gamit na magsasabi kung anong ano ba?
Go accessories.
Pwede siyang gamitin sa katawan. Pwede din siyang nasa loob lang ng bahay.
Katawan?
So, sa room,
Saan kayo sa comment? Saan? Orasan.
orasan.
Ang iniisip ko relo.
Pero nagsabi Sharon.
Ano ito yung iba dito?
Orasan is clock or like,
Ano?
yeah.
Ang iniisip ko relo.
Ano nga to sila?
Okay, ito. Ito medyo mahirap to.
Ano yan? Cybacker?
Ano siya?
Bikers.
O sige nga, kayo nasa comment section. Ano to?
Ano yan siya? Ano yan siya? Makikita sa...
I think you said bikers.
Hindi ko din alam kung paano siya sige na nga, kabisera.
Kabisera.
Mm.
Sinaunang panahon pala yung mga Tagalog.
Ang hirap pala.
Oo. Ito.
Almoranas, wala?
Ito.
Lulipap.
Lollipop.
Ano yan siya? Saan nakikita?
Ano na, makikita sa loob ng bahay.
Telepon.
Oo, telepono. Telephone. Yes.
Telepon?
Telepono.
Parang hirap ng mga Tagalog noong unang panahon, no?
Mm-hmm. Oh, ito English to.
English.
Na makikita
English.
sa kusina.
Yawa ba ini?
Naunahan kayo sa
Blender daw.
blender. Oo.
Sabi ng mga matatalino sa baba. Awag na yan, hindi na masaya. Nagasali sila sa baba eh. Yung ano lang,
Guys, sa song title,
Kaya nga eh.
sabihin ko nga sana. Song title tayo.
nagasali mo yung sa baba. Yung sa gano'n ka lang tayo.
Okay, so ang song title tayo. So Team A is Aling Mirna and me. Team B is Amor and Greg. So si Amor, papahulaan niya kay Greg kung ano yung title, right? Okay, so sino magsisimula? Ikaw, te?
Sige.
Okay, guys, sa comment section, anong number, kasi merong 15 song titles. So, anong number ang gusto nyong unahin ni ate? You have the list?
I have my list.
Number.
What number, guys, sa comment section? 12. Number 12 daw, te.
Who's this for?
12. May timer ba yan?
Time.
Timer.
Just talk the record and then, let's see.
I'll get the other phone.
Okay. So, number 12, ready ko na. Kunin lang ni Greg yung isang phone para magamit niya. Ang dami ng mga numbers. Grabe talaga ang paghanda mo, Teo eh.
Sinuot ko yung aking ukay-ukay na damit. Di ba?
Ako nga rag, ang ganda kaya nay.
Dapat gawin niya kitang, paano ba kita gawin moderator? Okay, Daba. There. Moderator.
Daba! Yan, kami mo moderator si Daba.
Okay, go.
Kinuha ni ate mo.